Okay, number 10, we got group data again, and then the number of patients. And so you can download the spreadsheet that I've created. And you input your lower class limits here, the smaller number in each range. For example, the first one is 15 to 23. So you put 15 here and 23 here. My next one is 2331, so 2331, and you go through and do all that. Put your frequencies in here, only change the yellow. Your larger frequency is your mode, or gives you your mode, I should say. So here, my largest frequency is 12, but you have to come over here to the midpoint, and so here our mode is 27. If you're doing it by hand, what you do is you look for the largest number of patients, which would be 12, and then you come over here and you average those two numbers. So 23 plus 31 divided by 2, what is that? 54 divided by 2, which is 27, which matches the value I have over in my midpoint